Teachers, what if you can control your classroom in a more effective way? This is a flexible tools for distance learning, hybrid learning, and traditional learning. Students join classroom sections without creating an account by entering the teacher's unique ID on the website or by following the URL given to them. We can make use of a versatile digital whiteboard to share digital syllabus, divide the students in a different groups, named as hurdles, and control the writing and audio functionality from students. Teachers can have their randomly written questions on the whiteboard. So, all we have to do is wait for the students to submit their answers. After an exercise, we can create a small test with students by using poll or quiz. With the prepared questions here, let's select one of the tests. After clicking on the play buttons, the questions will be reviewed to the students. As you can see below, there will be a preset timer for students. So teachers, start your hybrid learning classroom from your own desk, wherever you are.